It's alright. So is this gonna be the drive channel?
I guess so, unless someone wants to drag us down.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Look what time it is.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a bit of a formality Nazi, but
Alright. We'll go to drop zone.
no, it's cool. I'm not gonna stress it for now.
After this match, we'll move. How's that?
Sounds
Yeah,
like a plan.
that's what I was thinking.
I'm in my 1x, or my 1 now, sorry. Trying to elite this guy, and then I will start playing the, and I'll start playing the Shadowhawk. Cheddar, I'm putting a 360 XL on a Shadowhawk and seeing what I can do with it.
You can run really fast.
Just not sure I can damage anything.
I've strayed away from my ER large AC5 and SRMs build for a AC10 medium SRM build.
What SRM and what engine?
I'm sticking with 4s because I don't want to pay for Artemis and get 6s.
And what engine?
Still an XL, 275.
275, okay.
I'm running 2 AC5s with this one.
See, I've looked at that and I don't want. It just doesn't feel like me.
It's very much a support mech.
No, understood. Last night I was trying to go to bed, and I don't know if any of you guys remember Whoops, but Whoops dragged me into a fucking channel, and we talked about Shadowhawk builds until the wee hours of the morning, including a lot of AC20 streak builds, and that was kind of fun. Standard 255 AC20 3 streaks on the fucking Phoenix variant, not bad. It's kind of iffy, but fun. You can also fit 3 AC5s in the Phoenix variant with 6 tons of ammo.
I am not fully elited yet, but I gotta say I love my BJ1 with an AC20 3 medium.
Fuck yeah! I have that shit mastered, and alright, I may be talking some shit here. I'd like to think that I'm the one that convinced Westside to get off his Yinlo and go with the BJ. Because the BJ is everything a Yinlo wishes it was.
I mean, I did it mainly because I love Jaegers, and so why not try a medium Jaeger?
Oh, I mean, it's so much fun. Especially with jump jets, and that's what's so awesome about the Shadowhawk.
Random thought, the guy who made the Yinlo wing, what's his name? Jason Lang or something like that?
Oh, Justin Allard?
Justin Allard. He originally piloted a Blackjack, and that's the mech that he was in when he injured his future wife.
What?
Oh, you are quite correct. Holy shit, I didn't even think about it like that. But yeah. Justin Allard was in a Blackjack when he fucking messed up, what's her name? Candice Liao. Messed up her right arm.
Ooh, they're all over there. Do not go
Yep,
there.
on the island.
New target acquired.
I would love to take out this Jenner, though.
I'm trying to close on Bravo, but I'm 400 out. Oh, he keeps heading that way.
Base is being captured.
I'm headed back to base. Trying to take
right here with you too.
His rear's open.
Is being captured.
I'm gonna turn back. I feel like Vampire and Greylor, you guys can take out that fucked up Jenner whatever's on base.
AC20 has taken out fucked up Jenner.
Base 25%
Yeah, exactly.
captured.
There's a lot on base, guys.
Captured.
How many? 2, 3?
Haven't seen yet, but they came over through D5. It's gonna be heavies.
Alright, Versailles, let's take out Delta and then head back.
Is being captured. Base is being captured.
150 behind you, Versailles.
Oh, I could be wrong. It's a spider and a bunch of locusts.
Enemy base.
Oh, I just got one-shotted by Greylor. That was the only way I was gonna die.
Oh fuck, I just got one shot at ... by Greylor.
Well, the locust wasn't gonna one-shot you.
Nope.
Well, that's what I was like, yo, what the fuck just came in one-shot vampire? Who's with the locust?
Right in my back.
Oh, it's only Greylor. So, you guys need help with those locusts now that you're a man down?
I'm so sorry.
Well, there is a spider.
You got incoming missiles, but I'm under cover.
Versailles, I want to say that hunchback's gone for. Let's head back to base and help.
Help, team kill.
Copy that.
It's 4 and 4. Let's regroup with the main body that we have left.
My main body is on the floor.
Oh yeah, Greylor killed it.
Asshole missing.
Oh, he shot you in the butthole.
Yes, directly in the butthole.
Hey, Greylor,
Yeah.
good shot.
I'm just wondering if he was actually aiming at me or not, thinking I was an enemy. Or if I actually, like, you know, running straight behind an enemy, he just tried to shoot through me.
Purpose is not.
No, I didn't say you killed me on purpose, just saying, like, you mistook me for one of the 7 locusts running around in circles. I wasn't the only locust there, so I can understand getting them mixed up.
Oh, well, you were in locust too.
I was. I was the locust that got shot in the ass with an AC-20. While all the enemy locusts were free to run around.
He's dead.
You guys just want to wait here in like D5, Alpha 5, and let them come and cap, or do you think they're gonna defend? And
They'll probably
I
push
think
towards
we
us.
should go get him.
all right, Greylor.
Whatever you do, just make sure Greylor is in front.
Yeah.
That's why I asked him what he wanted to do, so I can follow.
I'm gonna be getting that for a while. Incoming C3, I'm not sure what it is.
I feel like I just had a tension moment.
I'm going wide right.
Yep, there's something closing. 2 closing.
2 contacts and B4 coming up.
Golf is soft.
Incoming missile.
I got a lot of LRMs coming from C3 and B3.
Jaeger mech.
Charlie. No, that's a battle master. Thunderbolt.
Acquired.
He's hurt, right torso and center torso.
I'm cut off from the rest of you guys.
It's alright, Charlie's about to go down. Watch out, Cheddar. Greylor's there.
That's funny.
Alright, Jaeger mech, weak left torso.
Target acquired.
In that left torso there, Greylor. Or right torso.
Shit.
New target acquired. Level critical. Autocannon ammo depleted.
Damn it.
Heat level critical.
Yeah, that side.
Oh, that was kind of close.
New target acquired.
Lima behind you guys. There's a fresh Thunderbolt.
Too fresh.
Greylor's out of AC-20, so you guys should be safe.
God damn it.
This Thunderbolt's gonna get me.
I'm still on golf.
Thunderbolt's the last.
Fucking
B4.
B4 hurt.
Moving to B3.
I see.
Get in close. He's only got 3 medium lasers.
Copy. I got plenty of armor.
Jump. Use your leg armor.
Are you talking to Greylor?
No. Greylor can die.
Yeah.
I was talking to Versailles. Left torso.
You mean that one?
Yeah, he's only got a PPC left, so just stay close to him. Hug him.
Oh, someone's shooting me on purpose.
I would say it's me, but I'm dead. I got team killed earlier, trying to defend my base
By you.
by Greylor with an AC-20.
It's called love.
No,
Hey,
they messed up.
And I think most good games have a team kill.
Yeah, no, they messed up. They said Greylor only had 3 kills. He actually had 4.
I know.
I know, I saw it.
You know what? That means they didn't
Technically,
include all the damage he did to you either. He did.
It
way
wasn't
more.
much. I was in a locust,
Oh.
and he shot me in my back armor.
Oh, so he did enough to kill
With an
a
AC-20.
locust. That means his damage was 601.
Right,
And-
something like that.
Yeah.
But 4 kills at least.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna post that video on YouTube.